Treats stretch marks, age spots and acne scars with this homemade gel. In brief moments, a written explanation. There's no doubt that some of the most beneficial natural ingredients for skin health include aloe vera and coconut oil. These two have medicinal effects, which have been scientifically proven, on issues such as eczema, psoriasis, rashes, irritated or dry skin. This is a result of their various medical advantages that aloe vera and coconut oil are usually utilized as a part of business body care items. In spite of the fact that they give awesome advantages when utilized independently, they are much more helpful when consolidated together. The best mixture is made when you combine the gel of aloe vera, not the juice, and pure and refined coconut oil. Typically, water and oil don't blend well, which is why it's not recommended to use the juice of this succulent plant. Some health benefits of aloe vera. Aloe vera is a popular natural treatment for minor burns and sunburn. It can be used to calm irritated skin and rashes. It can be used for treating stretch marks, age spots, acne and scars. Moisturizes and rejuvenates the skin. Some health benefits of coconut oil. It works wonders as a natural moisturizer. It slows skin aging. It's highly beneficial for dry skin. It provides antifungal and antibacterial effects and relieves various skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, sunburn, rashes and skin irritations. It can be used as a makeup remover. It's great as massage oil. It's beneficial for treatment of oily hair. Ingredients: 1/2 cup organic extra virgin coconut oil, 1/3 cup pure aloe vera gel using purely organic and cold-pressed aloe vera, a few drops of essential oil of your choice such as lavender, jasmine, rose, vanilla. Preparation: mix coconut oil and aloe vera in a bowl. Do not heat the coconut oil because it will unite with the mixture by itself. Whisk the mixture using an electric mixer for 5 to 10 minutes, until light and friable mixture is formed. Then add the essential oils. Place the mixture into a glass container and store at room temperature. Store in the refrigerator if it is a warm place in question. The lotion will last several weeks. How to use lotion? You should use the lotion just as any other lotion, but have in mind that it gives best results when applied on damp skin, preferably after bathing. You can also use it as a makeup remover. If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos.